The Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 13, Test 3, the Writing Task 2. Some people say history is one of the most important school subjects. Other people think that in today's world, subjects like science and technology are more important than history. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. This 8-band score sample essay is an original compilation of IELTS Lavin, your online IELTS instructor. You can also visit my blog site at www.ieltslavin.com. Do like this video if it was relevant to you. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for updates. Also, do comment for queries or clarifications. This essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. The introduction, where you would write the essay topic. The body paragraph 1, where you would discuss the first view. The body paragraph 2, where the second view would be discussed. And the conclusion, where I would be given my opinion. To form the introduction, prepare a table as shown. To the left, you could write the task question. To the right, you could write the main points step by step in relation to the given task. I will read the points step by step. It is believed by some that in school, history is the subject that is to be given the most priority. At the same time, there is another segment of people who claim that the subject of science and technology are far more important and should precede history. In this essay, I will discuss both these views and thereafter give my opinion. For body para 1, you can organize your discussion step by step. Discuss the first view. Some people say history is one of the most important school subjects. Now, the points of my discussion is that history teaches what events happen, when they happen, and why they happen. Also, it is of limited use in the current times, and thus it should be taught only as a secondary subject. Examples here are optional, so I have chosen not to write one. Coming to the body paragraph 2, you can organize your discussion step by step. So here one can discuss the second view. Other people think that in today's world, subjects like science and technology are more important than history. And my points of discussion are that science and technology are functional subjects. These subjects are important for the current times, and thus it should be taught as primary subjects. Once again, since examples are not necessary, I have chosen to eliminate it. To form the conclusion, prepare a table as shown. On the left hand side, the task question. To the right, you would again write the main point step by step in relation to the task question. So the task question here is that you have to discuss both these views and thereafter give your opinion. So I have formed the conclusion like so. Thus, after discussing both views, my opinion is that in today's world, subjects like science and technology should be given more importance than history. Now that all of the brainstorming is done, we can start writing the entire essay. The introduction. It is believed by some that in school, history is the subject that is to be given the most priority. At the same time, there is another segment of people who claim that the subjects of science and technology are far too important and should precede history. In this essay, I will discuss both these views and thereafter give my opinion. Now, the body paragraph 1. History is a subject that informs the young learner about noteworthy events that transpired in the past. The time of these events, the locations, their causes, the people involved, all of these form parts of this subject's syllabus. And so, other than providing information of the ultimate fallouts of these events, there is no other utility of this subject for people nowadays. Thus, despite some people feeling strongly about history being a significant part of formal education, it should be only retained as a peripheral subject. On the other hand, because science and technology are functional subjects, they are more relevant to our times. These subjects cover the studies of materials and how utilities can be made therefrom. Knowledge of these subjects not only helps man to better monitor the performance of machineries currently in use, but also enables him to develop new devices and instruments. Hence, people who are in favor of science and technology are firm on these being core subjects within the education system. And now the conclusion. To conclude, after examining the discussion had over both the given views, I believe that the subjects of science and technology should be given prime importance over history, owing to the former's contributions towards improving human life in the current times. This essay has been written in about 265 words. Once again, do like this video if you found it relevant. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for updates, and do comment for queries or clarifications. And once again, thank you for watching.